Hey, what's up? I'm Ian, and today we're going to talk about our 10x8 storage shed. The cool thing about this storage shed is it's extremely easy to put together. All the bars, they clip right into each other. The only time you need to use a screwdriver is for the screws on the foundation bars. Other than that, this thing's a breeze. It also comes together with some hanging hooks. As you'll see on the inside here, we've got some pickleball and some helmets hung up by the hooks. One thing that we're really excited about with this storage shed is the dual roll-up doors. So if you want to get a nice breeze, get some ventilation going, you can open the back, you can open the front, and you can roll them up really nicely just like here. Okay, one little tip with this for both the doors is when you have them unzipped from the bottom up, just make sure you start with a nice even tuck and keep it nice and tight. And it'll look just like this every time. Also, for additional ventilation, we've got 2 windows for you. You can hold it together with Velcro, and when you're ready to open it up, just the same tip as the roll-up doors. Keep a nice tight tuck, and you're good to go. All right, the next thing I want to talk about is safety and security. If you're on the go or you're just at home and you want to make sure that this thing is secured, we got you covered. That's why we included stakes. So, next time there's a crazy windy day, we got you covered. Can't really do that because we're in a studio, but you get the point. And this thing is also weather resistant. We like that. All right, there it is. That's our 10x8 storage shed. Hope you found this video helpful. For content like this and more, check out our YouTube channel or bestchoiceproducts.com.